people. So I've become a fan of like Japanese cinema, yeah, ever since I have Netflix on my phone, which has been over a year now. Uh, no, I downloaded when Lust Stories had come. That's how. See, from a very marketing perspective, Netflix is very like they knew that if they're getting Karan Johar and Zoya Akhtar and all these top directors, mm, a lot of people in India will download the Netflix app. So yeah. So when you talk of when we speak of Japanese cinema, the kind of storylines they have, yeah, it's like just mind-boggling. Like there is this particular series called Border. It's about this police officer who narrowly escapes death by through a bullet that almost scrapes some part of his brain, but such that it gives him the ability to uh, see across the other dimension. It's Japanese series and Japanese movies and all. Yeah, once you begin watching, even if you're watching it with the subtitles and all, you need to keep watching it because it's so intriguing. So really, people. So this particular series is called Border, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.